Hi, I'm Rich Bucheri from Poynter Bucheri Accident Recovery Attorneys, and this is a situation that we see a lot in the office. My lawyer dropped me, now what? And so a lot of times we get phone calls from people that have been represented by various attorneys, but a lot of times some of the bigger firms that they see on TV, and the people, these firms, they took their case, signed them up, and started negotiations with the insurance company. And then, as it turns out, for whatever reason, they weren't able to get a good offer from the insurance company, or I wasn't in agreement with what the attorney was saying. And so I wanted them to ask for more, and they decided they were going to drop me. So there's two possibilities of what could be happening in this situation. First of all, it's very possible that maybe your case is not as good as what you thought it was. Maybe there's a liability issue, maybe your injuries are not as objectively severe as what you think, or as valuable as what you think. And so it's very important to get a second opinion from another injury attorney to determine whether or not you should have an expectation, a reasonable expectation, to be able to get more out of your case. The second thing could be that there are many law firms out there that are interested in only picking what I would call the low-hanging fruit, the easy cases where there's clear liability, where there's serious objective injury like broken bones and things like that. And if there's a situation where you have to question some witnesses or somehow actually fight to win the case, then these insurance companies have so many cases that they're not in a position to be able to litigate all of these cases. And so they simply drop what would otherwise be good cases because they don't want to deal with it. And so that's their business plan, is basically to only pick the good cases and only settle the good cases. And then if there's any kind of pushback from the insurance company, then they're just not going to do it. Even though the commercials may say that that's not what they're doing, that ends up being the case. So every person will have to evaluate what the job their attorneys are doing on a case-by-case basis. But if you do get dropped, like I said, it could be one of two reasons, and you should not take the attorney that dropped you, their opinion, as acceptance of the final word on what should happen. You should definitely get a second opinion. If you have a case where you were dropped and you want a second opinion, please feel free to contact us at Poynter Bucheri Accident Recovery Attorneys. Thank you.